In this video, we'll delve into the fundamental aspects of muscle building and fat loss for beginners. We'll explore the key principles underlying these processes, emphasizing that they are interconnected and can be pursued simultaneously. Understanding the role of nutrition, training, and recovery is pivotal in achieving both goals effectively. By comprehending the physiological and metabolic mechanisms involved, beginners can make informed decisions about their fitness journey. This knowledge empowers individuals to create a holistic approach that optimizes muscle growth and facilitates fat loss, setting a strong foundation for their long-term progress. Nutrition plays a crucial role in the dual process of muscle building and fat loss. A balanced diet is essential to provide the body with the necessary nutrients for muscle growth, while creating a calorie deficit to support fat reduction. Emphasizing the consumption of lean proteins, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats is vital for meeting the body's energy demands and muscle recovery. Additionally, understanding the significance of micronutrients and hydration in enhancing exercise performance and metabolic functions is key for beginners. By comprehending the relationship between nutrition and fitness goals, individuals can make informed dietary choices to support their journey towards building muscle and losing fat. Effective training strategies are essential for beginners striving to build muscle and lose fat. Incorporating resistance training into the workout regimen is crucial for stimulating muscle growth and development. Furthermore, integrating cardio workouts not only supports fat loss but also enhances overall cardiovascular health. Understanding the concept of progressive overload, wherein the body is consistently challenged with increased resistance or intensity, is fundamental for continual muscle adaptation and fat burning. By emphasizing the combination of these training modalities, beginners can create a well-rounded fitness program that optimizes both muscle building and fat loss, laying the groundwork for sustainable progress. Rest and recovery are often underestimated yet essential aspects of the muscle building and fat loss journey. Adequate rest is crucial for muscle growth as it allows the body to repair and strengthen muscle tissues following workouts. Moreover, sufficient rest plays a significant role in regulating hormones that impact metabolism and fat utilization. By exploring the connection between rest, recovery, and physical performance, beginners can appreciate the value of allowing the body to recuperate. Understanding the implications of rest on muscle adaptation and fat loss empowers individuals to prioritize recovery as a foundational element of their fitness endeavors. Setting realistic and achievable goals is vital for beginners embarking on their muscle building and fat loss journey. By understanding the SMART criteria, specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound, individuals can establish clear and actionable objectives. This approach enables beginners to track their progress effectively and stay motivated as they witness tangible results. Discussing the process of goal setting within the context of muscle building and fat loss empowers individuals to create personalized targets aligned with their capabilities and aspirations. Emphasizing the importance of goal specificity and time sensitivity lays a strong foundation for beginners to make steady and sustainable advancements in their fitness pursuits. Tracking progress and adapting strategies is a crucial aspect of the muscle building and fat loss journey. By monitoring various metrics such as strength gains, body measurements, and body composition changes, individuals can assess the effectiveness of their training and nutrition plans. This data-driven approach facilitates informed decision-making, enabling beginners to make necessary adjustments to optimize their results. Emphasizing the significance of flexibility in training and nutrition strategies empowers individuals to adapt to their evolving needs and challenges, ensuring continued progress. By recognizing the value of continuous evaluation and refinement, beginners can navigate their fitness journey with resilience and determination, maximizing their potential for muscle building and fat loss.